Hello dear friend and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can be able to do if statement on Python, and in this case I'm using VS Code, that is a text editor. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So for you to be able to do that, just open a text editor that you have installed, and also you have installed the prerequisite, that is a Python 3.9 or any version. Then click here where it is written new file. Where it is written file, then select new file. After you have clicked new file, what you need to do is save as. First of all, after you click save as, then it will take you where you want to save it. Then for me it will be if statement.py, so that it can be executed as Python program. Then after that, for example, now if you want to write an if statement, so for example, let's say we have two numbers, and you know specifically the if statement is used to check the conditions. So for example, if you have two numbers, that is x and y, so we can say, for example, x is equivalent to 10 and y is equivalent to, for example, 13. So then we can say if x is greater than y, then we can say print into bracket x is bigger than y. Then after writing that, we can say, for example, else. So else tells the program to write the next, for example, argument, or the next thing that it's supposed to print out, or what happens if it is not greater than that. So you can write else print into brackets. Then we can say, for example, x is lesser than y. Those statements takes care of each other. So you can just do this. Let's think that one is okay. Then this one should be indented that way. Then we are good to go. So the next thing is that we can now try to run this program to check if it is correct. For example, in this case, x is 10 and y is 13. So we can say x is lesser than y. It will not now. What we expect is that it should not print this first statement, but the second statement. So without wasting much time, let's run. So when you run that, just down here, so let's run it again. So for example, if we run down here, you can realize that it says x is lesser than y, since for example, since y is bigger than x. So for example, if we change x to be 40 and then we run again, then you realize that this statement is printed again where it is written x is bigger than y. So basically that's how you can be able to do with if statement. Thank you so much for watching.